welcome back to my channel MD Vlogs. And today is a normal day which I'm going to share with you all. And if you're wondering why my eyes are blacky, that's because there is a shoot. That's why my eyes are blacky. And I am going to share you that I have colored my hair for my sister's wedding purpose. And if you haven't watched that video, I will link the video in my description and my main channel into my vlogging video. So I've colored and I've done the mehndi over here, but it's already gone out there. So yep, with my cinnamon water, because it's really important to get you with the cinnamon water at the morning. So that's what I'm gonna do it right now. And look at to my room. It's clearly looking that it's kind of messy, but also not. Okay, give a little bit, I will give you a tour to it. So it's basically what happened here. This green shed is given for that only. What happened now, the room looks green, kind of green, you can see it's looking green. So that's what it is. So let's go and get some cinnamon water. Because why I got ready and like this is I'm just running out of my stuff, so I have to go out and bring, because I think tomorrow, I don't know, but next week I'm gonna bake some cake. I'm just running out of that, so I'm gonna bring some of the items to make the cake, and that's it. So I already got up and I'm gonna go head out of there. But first of all, I'm gonna see you. I really definitely want to like share this with you all, that our apartment is getting ready. It's that just like that only. So this is the current situation. So this is a oil paint kind of, and my favorite, one of my favorite color, just done. And this is our shoe rack. This is, and here kind of everything. Okay, so it's a kind of a spare place. I think it's kind of for the lift, new lift build, I don't know. I'm just bare feet. And one more thing I want to show you all, that is, look at this view. Look at this view. Just look at this view. See how beautiful it is. See, there's a water body, there's a bridge, new construction, something working is going on there. It's really nice, and there are so many trees. Yep, so it's time to get. So this is all. I think every story has done. From here it's the roof, and every story is done from here to here, everything. So in my lunch I have roti, rice, paneer, यहाँ पर उच्छे, यहाँ पर passionate तरकारी, and this is dal. So that I'm gonna have. It's a really good and simple and light food. रोटी पनीर की तरकारी, ये पनीर की तरकारी पूरा ठंडा हो जाता है। Okay peoples, so what I'm doing is currently, okay, घर पे मैं आपको दिखा दूंगी, पर यहाँ पर थोड़ा थोड़ा अगर आपको दिख रहा है कि मेरे आँखों में काजल है. This is all about which I was doing like a whole afternoon. So मैं पूरी की पूरी आफ्टरनून ये करने में बिता रही थी. क्या करने में बिता रही थी वो आपको मंडे मेरे मेन चैनल पे पता चल जाएगा. सो व्हाट आई एम नाउ करेंटली डूइंग, चली गई है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हमारे यहाँ और जनरेटर भी थोड़ी ख़राब चल रही है. सो मैं और मेरी माँ आए हैं छत के ऊपर, छत की टूर करवाने, मतलब ऐसे घूमने टहलने के लिए. बट यहाँ पर छत पे भी कुछ काम वाम चल रहा है. जैसे कि मैंने आपको दिखाया, सुबह घर का काम चल रहा है. पूरी बिल्डिंग ही थोड़ी रिपेयर हो रही है, थोड़ी मतलब कलरिंग वलरिंग सब चल रहा है यहाँ पर. ओके, इफ़ यू हैवंट वॉच्ड माई प्रीवियस वीडियोज़, वहाँ पर आपको दिख जाएगी कि छत पे ऐसा नहीं था, बटोरा. आप वहाँ पर भी देख सकते हो कंस्ट्रक्शन का बहुत सारा काम चल रहा है. एंड मैंने इस वीडियो में इंग्लिश हिंदी मिक्स करके बोल रही हूँ, दैट्स बिकॉज आदत सी हो गई अभी मुझे व्लॉगिंग हिंदी में करते करते, अभी आदत से हो गई, तो व्हाट आई कैन डू इट. और दिस इज़ माई करेंट हेयर स्टाइल विच आई एम इन लव विथ. और मैं पहले आकर उस छत के ऊपर चली जाती थी, उस छत के ऊपर, बट अभी शाम हो चुकी है, सो आई थिंक इट्स बेटर टू स्टे हियर। और चलो मैं आपको और एक व्यू दिखाती हूँ। बाकी बहुत बार यू हैव सीन दिस व्यूज़, बट स्टिल इस चैनल में जो न्यू व्यूअर्स हैं, जो भी न्यू व्लॉगर्स, जो भी न्यू व्यूअर्स या सब्सक्राइबर है, उनके लिए मैं और एक बार दिखा देती हूँ। शादियों का बड़ा माहौल चल रहा है। इफ़ यू कैन सी, वहाँ पर देखो मेरी फिंगर्स जहाँ पर मैंने दिया है, वहाँ पर एक शादी चल रहा है, दूर है। यहाँ पर हमारे घर के यहाँ पर थोड़ी दिन पहले शादी थी, तो यहाँ पर सभी उसको खोल रहे हैं। और यार अभी तो पूरी बिल्डिंग चल रही है। और लुक एट दिस व्यू गाइस, दिस पर्टिकुलर व्यू। मुझे पर्सनली ये पार्ट अपने छत का बड़ा पसंद है, बिकॉज़ यहाँ से ना दूर 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 की सारी चीज़ें दिखती है। ओके, सो अभी तो आई यूज़ टू कम इन दिस टेरेस लाइक मई में मैं बहुत आती थी, ओपनली आती जाती थी, बट अभी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चलते हैं, इसीलिए मैं ज़्यादा आ नहीं पाती हूँ। बट ये देखो, मैंने जो सुबह आपको ग्रीन कलर का दिखाया था ना कि हमारे बालकनी के ऊपर से गया है, ये देखो, ये है वो शील्ड। आपको दिख नहीं रहा है, मॉर्निंग पे दिखता है, ये देखो ये वाला क्या है, बहुत नीचे तक गया है, पूरा अंधेरा हो चुका है। सो मैं भी थोड़ी बहुत चलने वलने वाली हूँ, बिकॉज फ़ोटोशूट तो यहाँ पर होगी नहीं। देखो देखो पीछे, देखो देखो जानम हम छत पे आए, तेरे लिए आए। तो बस ऐसे ही मैं छत पे टहलने वाली हूँ, बिकॉज आजकल थोड़ी मेरे जो एक्सरसाइज के रूटीन्स हैं वो थोड़े डिले हो रहे हैं। एंड या फिर मैं आपको घर जाकर मिलती हूँ। आज सोच रही हूँ पढ़ाई को थोड़ी स्किप कर दूँ। So I'm back from the terrace like it's quite while ago, and I had a little bit of coffee because I need to boost my energy really much. And tomorrow is Sunday. I don't know I'm going to vlog or not, but I think I'm going to vlog. And yeah, I'm going to definitely share my daily routine with you all, what I'm going to do or not. And yep, and tomorrow I'm going to again rearrange my room, because my room is quite messy or untidy, you can say. So basically I will do my dinner. It's quite already 10:30, and I think I need to end this vlog over here only. I know this day is quite simple as it is, but yeah, I washed my face. As you can see here in my eyes there is kajal. Usually I don't apply kajal into my eyes, because I think no matter whatever it is, how much waterproof kajal it is, that but it's going to be smudging in the lower eyes, and it's look really bad, like something very bad, so awkward. So I don't like to put on kajal, but other than occasions, but whatever it is. So this is the thing which I'm doing currently, and it's a surprise. I previously told you in my terrace, but again I'm telling you. And one more thing I'm going to tell you, that I will link my main channel into the description box down below. It's already given, you can check over here, and I will share you my Instagram handle in the description box also down below. Like both of my channel with the video, and share the videos to everybody who are interested, and subscribe to my channel. It's very important, because one your like and subscriptions to me, it's motivate me really much. And I think, like, behind talking or beyond talking, we should interact with more people, make a positive contact, make work, so that people can understand and people can do a little bit more productive work too. And the thing which is I am doing right now, it's quite bored, guys. I really want to go outside, but the situation is very bad here where I live, so it's very bad, so I can't go out. So I really want to share travel vlog with you all, guys, but I don't know how much I can do it. But whatever it is, finger crossed it will get over soon. So I have a couple of plans in the future, it's upcoming. So I will definitely share everything with you all. And basically I'm going to tell one thing also, that this vlog channel I will continue in my English, because I think speaking more English and speaking day by day, it will enhance me as well as the viewers or the new students which are watching my videos. And so it will enhance our talkative quality, because I do have some mistakes, and I will rectify the mistakes by talking in English, by speaking in English day by day. But today I did a mistake, like I talked in Hindi and English. That's because I usually vlogged from previous year. I started vlogging, so I just usually talked in Hindi. That's why I was just mixed and matched. But now I decided to talk in English, because the students which are watching me, the viewers which are watching me, they will be really appreciative towards a thing that they can also interact with it. I not learned in a one day. I also seen many people. I watched many people's, my teachers, my all my idol persons. Then I also learned that, but I do have some mistakes over me, so I have to correct it. And the people who are watching right here, you are the people, you can also rectify that. So by interacting like this, if you like the daily video, then please leave a comment in the comment section down below. And I have to shoot tomorrow 2 videos. That's my main channel's intro video and end video, I think. So yeah, I'm definitely going to shoot tomorrow also. And yeah, I will not elongate this video here. I'm ending up it. Love you all. Tada. Be safe. Be happy.